Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious sautéed kale. First, ensure your kale is clean by washing it well under cold water. Next, remove the tough, fibrous stems from the leaves. You can simply tear the leafy parts away from the central rib. Finally, chop the prepared kale into manageable, bite-sized pieces. This ensures it cooks evenly and is easy to eat. Let's get cooking. Now, let's get to the sautéing. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Once shimmering, add your minced garlic or finely chopped shallots. Cook these for about 1 minute until they become wonderfully fragrant. Then, add your chopped kale directly into the skillet. Toss it gently to ensure all the leaves are coated with the oil and aromatics. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and hit that like button. And on another note, just like we want our food to taste fresh, we want our cars to smell great. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice. It's a game changer. You can find the link and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Continue cooking the kale for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally. You want it to be tender crisp, not mushy. If it seems a bit dry, add a small splash of water or vegetable broth. This helps steam and soften the leaves. Finish by seasoning generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice at the end brightens all the flavors. Your delicious sautéed kale is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately as a fantastic, healthy side dish. For an extra kick, consider garnishing with a sprinkle of red pepper flakes or some toasted sesame seeds. This versatile dish pairs wonderfully with many main courses, like roasted chicken, grilled fish, or even as a vibrant addition to a hearty grain bowl. It's so simple and satisfying.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.